Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. My name is Ayie, para sa mga bago. At tignan nyo, ang aking background ay napakaganda. So, later on, I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna show you how I made this. So, just to give you an idea how to make a very simple backdrop. Yeah, guys. So, nagtataka kayo bakit pinapakita ko ang aking fast lock ngayon. Kasi parang hindi nyo ako makalimutan guys. Kasi parang, nasasada ko kasi parang pagka yung parang connection natin kasi siguro dahil nga puro kamay ko na lang yung nakikita, so naisip ko, so from time to time papakita ko ang fast lock ko sa inyo para hindi niyo naman ako makalimutan guys, so ayan guys, so I hope you will like my video and please leave a thumbs up if you do, and leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And to those who are new, thank you guys for dropping by, and I hope you will not forget to press that subscription button subscription button and the notification bell, so every time I upload a new video you will get notified. Yes, so again, thank you guys. To see you again on my next one. Bye bye.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, all those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be. Under your spotlight, go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone. Under your spotlight,
Shut
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. Go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you only can just be alone. Under your spotlight. Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.